Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just used the Revlon brush thingy. Forgot what it's called. I just used this for the first time and I am so impressed with the results. My hair feels amazing. I have volume. It took me no time at all and I honestly feel like I just got back from the hair salon. So if you want to see how this went down, then just keep on watching. So I'm really excited to try this. It is huge. It is like seriously the size of my face, pretty much. And when I got it out of the box, I just didn't think it was going to be this big, but it is. So there you go. So basically I am going to do a little review on this and give you my first impressions because I haven't used it yet. So I'm really excited to try it. I have very thin, not voluptuous, voluminous hair. Voluptuous. My hair is very fine and limp and I don't have much of it. So there you go. I'm going to begin by putting a thermal I'm going to start by adding some heat protectant. This is the L'Oreal Blow Dry It Thermal Smoother Cream. I love the smell of this stuff. If this was a perfume, I would wear it. Okay, so I just get a little bit of it. Smells so delicious, and I'm just gonna put it through my hair. My hair has kind of dried already because I don't like to blow dry my hair when it's like super wet. I usually do my makeup first, so I'm just applying the heat protectant frizz deactivator. Let's get started. I am going to section my hair off. I don't have much hair, so there won't be very many sections. Here we go. Okay, so first impressions, my hair feels amazing. Wow. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but I already have like this volume that's kind of like around my hair here a little bit. First impression so far is, wow, my hair feels amazing and I'm really excited to do the top. I don't really like wearing my hair straight because I feel like it doesn't look like as good as like when you go and you get a blowout. But this might be changing the game right now, guys. All right, well, let's do the top. See what happens. But so far, so good. It does get really hot, so be aware of that. Make sure you do put a heat protectant on, and you know, I wouldn't necessarily like keep it in an area for too long. But let me just kind of show you it's not on. I just kind of wanted to show you what I did, but if you have any tips or tricks on this, then let me know. But I kind of just put my hand on this little top part right here because this does not get hot, which is like amazing. So you can kind of rest your hand there and do what the saloners do. The pros do, and just kind of keep it on there and get that volume. So that's what I did. Let's try the top here. And what I'm gonna do is kind of section it off and just keep these little guys in the front and focus on the back. This is where I really want to get volume. This is where I try to get volume and I never can. So let's try it out. Okay, so I have insane amount of volume back here that I'm not used to, and I'm really excited because honestly, this is amazing. I feel like you don't need to know how to do your hair to use this thing. Like you just put the machine or you just put the blow dryer thing in your hair and it does it for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna like kind of frame, let me move you guys up a little bit. Like you're really close. My drawer's open. Anyway, let's do this part. So I just let my hair go the way that it wanted to go this morning, and it really wanted to go kind of on the side, so we're gonna just let that do what it wants to do. All I can say is, wow, I just did this really fast too. I feel like if I really took my time and like sectioned out my hair properly and all of that stuff, I feel like the result would be even better. But my hair has never felt, well, my hair has felt this good, and that is when I spend hundreds of dollars at the hair salon. My hair feels so soft. It's so shiny. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so shiny, and I'm kind of in love. Alright guys, so this was my honest opinion of this product. This was my first time using it, and I definitely recommend. It's well worth the money. I got mine at Ulta. I know that they probably sell them at Target. I think my friend was telling me about some on Amazon. So definitely do your research and find the cheapest option for you. But I definitely recommend this Revlon one. It is amazing, and I don't think you'll regret it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. And I try to post videos every week, so be on the lookout for my next one, and I will talk to you guys later.